Today we're going to have a quick peek at what it's like to make your own cold processed soap. It's important that you have all the ingredients that you need for your recipe gathered together at the very beginning. You'll need a digital scale to weigh out all of your ingredients individually. It's important when you make your lye solution that you do it in a place that's well ventilated, for example the outdoors. When you're ready, add the lye solution into the water. It's important that you do it in this order. You'll notice that the lye water is going to heat up to a very high temperature, and that's one reason for the safety gloves and the safety goggles. It only takes about 30 seconds to 1 minute to complete this phase, and when you're ready to bring it inside, you can do that, but keep it safely out of the way of pets and children and anything that might bump it. Now you can combine your oils and butters into a plastic container and put them in the microwave to heat up until they become liquefied and incorporated together. You're going to add your lye water solution all at once into your oils. Then you get to stir with the immersion stick blender. I think you're good.
Yeah, here we are.
At this point, you'll quickly transfer your soap solution into your prepared soap molds. Then you'll let them insulate for a day or two until they're ready to unmold. Adding extras such as apricot kernel shells make the bars extra special. You can add natural ingredients such as activated charcoal to give a deep and dark, interesting color. Pink clay is also pretty and can be used in a facial bar. This honey and oatmeal soap gets a visual boost by using calendula flowers. And this Bastille soap, it's a very soft bar, but it needs months to cure, so plan ahead and have fun.